Khalid Iqbal is here. Status of a judge in any society is prestigious, respectable, and honorable. Responsibility of a judge is sensitive and sacred. A weak person of low character cannot dispense justice to the people. Those who lobby to seek the position of a judge or accept the offer to work as a judge but cannot deliver justice of merit should remember the consequences of their acts. I present following two sayings of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Abu Dhar, may Allah be pleased with him, submitted to messengers of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Why don't you appoint me as an administrator of some place? He patted me on my shoulder and said, Abu Dhar, you are weak, and office is a trust, and this may be the cause of humiliation and sorrow on the day of judgment. This is printed in Muslim. Second hadith, it is quoted in Abu Dawud. On the authority of Buraidah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, judges belong to two categories. One who would be admitted to paradise, and remaining two would be thrown to the hell fire. The one who would be admitted to paradise would be a judge who recognized the truth and gave judgment according to it. The judge who recognized the truth but deviated while giving judgment would enter the hell fire. The third one, the judge who would give judgment while ignorant of the case would also be thrown to the hell fire.